December 22nd, 2013, Sunday. On Friday night it started to rain and the temperature hovered all night and all day yesterday right at 32 degrees. And all over the area the roads were not in too bad a shape, but branches, anything above ground, froze when the water touched it. And the branches started falling in the early morning Saturday and all through the day. We got a little dusting of snow late last night. So our birch has suffered again. Hopefully this evergreen will come back. The tree that refuses to let its leaves go. Hey, Eva. Looks like the only live part of that one is now broken off, and that's a totally dead tree now. So the temperature is going to hover around 31 degrees all day today, and then high of 28 tomorrow. So this can wait till after Christmas.